What's up, sisters? I'm here today to show you how to slay your natural hair and get killer curls using the Mane Choice Proceed with Caution collection, which is formulated to help maintain your hair natural's pH, also balance oil production on the scalp, hydrate and seal cuticles, which will help lock in more moisture and shine for frizz-free definition. I have partnered with the Mane Choice to bring you this video, but we know they're no stranger to my channel. I used a couple of other products, but this line is new to me. So let's get into it. I'm starting off using the Stop the Damage pre or post poo mask, which you can use before or after shampooing. It intensely restores, moisturizes, and conditions, and it's rich in antioxidants to improve elasticity and boost shine. I'm going to put my deep conditioner cap on and let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, I used a slippery when wet shampoo, which indeed had a great slip and left my hair super light and soft after I rinsed it out with cool water. A great follow-up was the 4-way conditioner, which is a co-wash, leave-in, detangler, and rinse out. It gently lifts impurities, softens, and detangles. I used it as a rinse out. I did detangle with my fingers at first, and then I followed up with my shower comb, and I did a light rinse so that I can also use it as a leave-in conditioner. And I'm a fan of how the Mane Choice formulates their conditioners to be used in multiple ways. It never disappoints my hair. Now, I've always had my eye on the Look Both Ways hair and edge gel, but never got a chance to try it, so I was really excited when they presented this opportunity to me. It's 2 gels in 1. The packaging is huge. It's 12 ounces with 6 ounces of each product. As you can see, the hair gel is very loose and tacky in texture, supposed to help perfect definition and shine, and the edge gel has a thicker form and not so loose, which is supposed to help create a strong hold and lock edges in place. So let's get into it. I am going to start off by sectioning my hair the Carmen traditional way, where I separate the long strands from the short strands. My hair is cut into a taper, but it has grown out so much, but even with the length, I'll be using my classic technique with the Denman brush to help define my curls with this product. And I'm excited to see how it stacks up against other hair gels I've used. As always, I start in the back. No lie, the texture of this gel was throwing me off. I wasn't sure if it was going to work, but to my surprise, it worked as soon as it touched my hair. My hair absorbed that gel really quick and my curls were clumped together. I really wasn't expecting that, but it delivered. It's delivering in the most kinkiest part of my head. The directions say to use on wet hair and to use sparingly, I guess to prevent from product buildup. We will see once this dries. It's really easy to smooth through the hair and run the Denman through when detangling and defining my curls. As some of you may know, I curl the Denman upwards like I'm flipping my hair to create this cluster of curls. This technique works great on short natural hair such as TWAs for a cute pixie cut look. As you can see, my hair has grown so much, so it's a bit harder, but it still works for the look I'm going for. I'm actually going to be styling my hair with a part. I believe I have my part on the left side, so my hair will be swooping to the right. I'm just re-moisturizing my hair with water to just give the product a chance to stand on its own and give a fair review, to see what kind of hold it has and if there's any product buildup after using it. This is what my hair looks like, still wet. I see some good definition and shine coming through. Now I'm using the edge gel on my edges. I always gotta lay those edges down, at least here we do. And it works really well. Kept my edges in place, very easy to move around. Once my edges was done, I diffused my hair with the iron hair dryer. I then finish off with their Dangerous Luster Shine Illuminator, which has a pump. It's a lightweight formula with Japanese cherry oil and chia seed oil, which helps lock in moisture and hydration. It also enhances shine and natural luster. And this is my final look. It has a strong hold with great shine. I haven't experienced any buildup, and I'm like on day 7 with the product in my hair now. Has anybody else tried out the collection? If so, what are your thoughts on it? You can find the whole Mane Choice Proceed with Caution collection at sallybeauty.com. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace out, sisters.